Hey, welcome back to Pop's Custom Cars. Today we're going to do a little bit of work, a little bit more work to the truck. I got a no O2 sensor. Not sure if the old one is bad, but it's giving me issues, so might as well replace it. We've got a new cap, new rotor to put on. We also have a new belt to hopefully remove the squeaking. The water pump on it, I'll show you in a little bit, seems to be a little wonky. So I'm hoping I don't have to replace that, but it may be something that does need to be replaced. That may be that squeaking noise that's pretty much drowning everything else out. I've also got new fuel injectors ordered, only because I got a really good deal on them. I do have another set from the white truck. I've completely cleaned that whole throttle body. So it is ready if there's anything wrong with this one. So I'll have two of them. I've also got a full rebuild kit for it. So when those new injectors come in, I'll pull down and rebuild the entire fuel injection unit just to make sure that everything's good there and everything's clean. And with that, let's cross our fingers and hope that solves the problem. So let's get to it. Okay, first thing first, we're going to put our tensioner back in place. Took it off to check it. It is fine. Okay, it's in there. Now, put our new belt on.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
Yeah, it probably helps to
Everything you know that you can
have it on the right way too.
Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
Fan.
I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself.
Get down there around that pulley.
Figure out what you like and find your limits.
Underneath.
Work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt.
Something's right.
Scared that you'll figure it
Oh, the belt's wrong.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Put the belt on there first.
They don't wanna see me naked, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe some.
Dead battery. Dead battery.
Many can say that I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're chance to be ruthless. It's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay. That did it. Belt's on.
A few hours later.
Have another check engine light. Leave my code reader in here. All right. It's definitely something to do with that fuel injection, I can tell. So we'll come back at this when we get our new parts. Probably going to be a couple weeks because we need to get back on the Nova. We can mess with this anytime. It runs and drives, so that's good enough for now. So